In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Botpress server bot with a Facebook page. So you'll be able to talk to your bot via Facebook page. So I have a fresh Botpress server downloaded from the Botpress.io from here. So I unpack it, and now I have this binary. So I go to this folder and start the server. I do this just to show you that it's a fresh Botpress server without any pre-settings. So you'll see the process from the beginning till the end when you'll be able to talk to your bot in Facebook. So the server is starting. Okay, it started. Yes, now I see my server working. I'll create an account. Where is it? So I'll create a test bot with an empty template. Now I'll add some simple behavior to bot. So just one node that will say hi to the user and ask his name. Okay, so the bot is created. I want to check if it works as expected. Yes, it works. Okay, so now let's switch to the Facebook setup. First of all, I'll go to the Botpress GitHub. So here is the repository. I'll go to the modules and channel messenger. A channel messenger folder has its own README with a step-by-step instruction on how to set up the bot. But the instruction is not that obvious, and there are some non-simple steps. So I'll show them in this video and tell you about them. So first of all, we need to create a Facebook app and Facebook page, and then set up an HTTPS tunnel using ng-rock. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to the Facebook. So I go to the developers facebook.com. I'm already a registered Facebook developer. If you are not, you'll see step-by-step tutorial here on how to become a developer. So you'll need to pass the step-by-step instruction. Okay, I'll go to my apps and create a new app. I'll name it the same, but press FB test. Contact email, okay. Okay, FB is not allowed, but press F test. Okay, I'm not a robot. Yes, it's done. So I see this Facebook app, and I want to close this tab. I'll need it in future. I'll open one more to create a page. So I'll go to the facebook.com to manage pages and create a new one. Okay, let's say it will be a brand named Facebook F test. Category, let's say chatbot. Is there? No. Okay, local bit. No. Let's say tour agency. So you'll put some real address here. Okay. So the page is being created at the moment. Okay, it's done, and there are several more steps that I can do, but I'll skip them because you can do them later. I've just checked that video recording is working. Okay, so here is the page. We have done these and these steps. And now we need to set up ngrok. There is another option using nginx, but I'll use ngrok. There is a tutorial on how to do this. Okay, so basically blah blah blah. It starts from here. You'll need to download and set up ngrok on Mac. Okay, let's do this. Okay, download. Okay, I'll use the same folder. Okay, so I'll create one more terminal window to be able to run ngrok in there. Okay, so now everything is ready. I can type ngrok and it will work, but I need to make some more steps. So in order to do it properly, I need to set up an auth token, and auth token is available after the registration. Okay, so I'm already registered here, and I can get my auth token here. Here is it. So now in order to set up auth token, auth token, okay, I'll need to type this. Okay, so auth token is set up. I can close this. Okay, and now let's move forward. Okay, I've downloaded it, blah blah blah, download, blah blah blah, install. Okay, done. Yes. Okay, and in order to create a tunnel, I need to type this ngrok http and the number of the port. Botpress is started on the 3000 port, so I'll do this. I'll use this port. Okay, now the tunnel is created, and I see these URLs here for the tunnel. Here is it. So in future, I'll need this URL, so I'll check it if it works. Yes, tunneling works as far as I see. So it started to load the page. Yes. Okay, so ngrok setup is finished. Let's go forward. Okay, so now I'll need to set up the channel messenger configuration. I'll stop the server. Okay, done. Now I'll go to the server data global Botpress config JSON file. Open it with JSON editor. And now I need to find a channel messenger object here. Here is it, and enable it. So currently there is no channel messenger config here in the config folder, but after I've enabled the module and restart the server, the config will be generated. Channel messenger, okay, it's here. Okay, I can open it in the JSON editor. Super. Set an enabled flag here, and let's see what I need to do next. Okay, I'll need to set up an app secret and verify token. And also in future, I'll need this access token. Okay, so I'll add all three fields. Okay, so I can find app secret in the Facebook app page. Okay, let's do this. Where is my Facebook app? So it's the page. I suppose it's closed. Okay, I'll reopen it. Go to developer or developers.facebook.com. Go to my newly added application. Settings. Okay, here is app secret. Here is the app secret, so I copy paste it in the JSON file. Now verify token. So let's see where to get the verify token. Random string you need to generate. Okay, so I generated by myself. I can just use some internet service for this. Let's say this one. And I'll copy some token from this page. I'll get back to the channel messenger JSON config, paste the token. I'll use it in future. Okay, it's done. Let's see what's next. Yes, verify token is done. Make sure you have an HTTPS and set up external URL. So this external URL configuration is actually made in the Botpress global config, this file, global Botpress config. So here I have HTTP server setting, and I need to add, okay, I'll check what should be the name of the variable. Yes, here is it, HTTP server dot external URL. So I have this HTTP server object, and I need to add this external URL field here, and paste this ngrok URL with HTTPS protocol here. Here is it. So it's done. What's next? Box configuration. Okay, it's we don't need it anymore. Let's get back to the channel messenger instruction. We start Botpress server to reload the configuration. Okay, let's do this. Okay, now it says that access token is not set up and channel is disabled. Let's set up the auth token. Actually, in the instruction, auth token goes below here under bot level configuration. But without the auth token, you won't be able to set up the webhook. So you'll need to set up the auth token before setting the webhook. That's the tricky part. So now, in order to set up the auth token, I'll get back to my application configuration. Go to, let me remember, as far as I remember, products, messenger, setup. Okay, auth tokens. So in this access tokens section, I need to select my page. Here is it, Botpress ftest. Okay, I need to add permissions, to grant permissions to the application. Where is it? Done. Okay, and now I have this token here. So I get back to the channel messenger JSON file and paste an access token here. Let me restart the server. Yes, and now I see that this server has printed me messenger webhook URL. Here is it. And I copy paste it. Just copy for now, but we'll paste it in a few seconds. And now I complete this setup your webhook part. So I need to go products messenger settings webhook. So we are already in there. Here is this page, webhooks. And then I need to paste a callback URL. Okay, let's do this. Webhooks, subscribe to events, callback URL. Verify token, this should be the same that we have generated before. You can generate it or type any token from your head, but it should be the same in the channel messenger JSON configuration and on this page. And now I need to set messages and messaging postbacks flags here. Messages, messaging postbacks. Okay. If everything is okay, then verification will be done successfully, and the page will be closed. Selected events, yeah, subscription works. Now I need to select a page here. This step is not highlighted in the instruction, but you need to do this in order for the bot to be connected to the page. So I select my page here, press subscribe. Yeah, subscription is done. Let us check if we have done everything. Okay, so we have completed the global configuration, and there is a section about the bot level configuration. In order to make the bot level configuration, we'll need to copy this channel messenger JSON file in the particular bot configuration. So let's stop the server, copy our channel messenger JSON file, go to bots, our bot, create a config folder here, and paste the configuration. Here is the configuration. So actually the configuration duplicates, the bot configuration duplicates fields from the global configuration, and I'm not sure if the duplication can be avoided totally, but I know that you can remove access token from the global configuration. So from here. So access token is a per page thing, and it can be set up only in the particular bot, but I'm not sure about these fields. And also you need to know, you should know that this path to the schema should be a bit different, because bot configuration is located one level lower than the global configuration, so you need to add ... in this path for everything to work properly. As far as I remember, yeah, there is a notice in the instruction about it. We have already generated an access token and the enabled field set to true, both in the global and bot configuration. It seems like everything is done. Let's check. Okay. So I start the server. Then go to my page. Here is my page, and I want to talk to the bot. In order to do this, I'll add a button. Contact you. Send message. Next. Using messenger. Finish. Here is the button. Okay, and now I want to test how it works. Okay, it doesn't want to work from here. Okay, then I'll use this, where is it? View page as visitor option. So that's how your page look to the click send message here. Yeah, here is our bot. Let me send something to the bot. Yes, and here is the bot reply. Now it works. This setup is finished. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.